Based on the balance sheets above for three different banks, which of the following is true if the reserve requirement is 10%? So in this question, we're told, or at least we're given the balance sheets for three different banks, and we're asked for which of the following statements is true if the reserve requirement is 10%. So looking at Bank A, we can see that it has a demand deposits of 5,000. And if the reserve requirement is 10%, then 10% of 5,000 is 500. So that means their required reserves is 500. So their excess reserves, which we'll call EX reserves, is just 500. Then for Bank B, if the reserve requirement is also 10% and their dependent deposits are 600, therefore their required reserves is just 60. So if their total reserves is 100, then 100 minus 60 is 40. So their excess reserves is 40. Excess reserves for Bank B is $40. Then for Bank C, the demand deposits are 100 and their reserves are 10. 10% of 100 is 10, so their excess reserves are 0. So, looking at answer choices, answer choice A says Bank A has no excess reserves. This is incorrect because we can clearly see that Bank A has $500 in excess reserves. So we can eliminate option choice A. B. Bank B has no excess reserves. This is incorrect because we saw earlier that Bank B also has excess reserves, which is at the quantity of $40. So B can also be eliminated. C. Bank B can increase its loans by $500. This is incorrect because Bank A could do this, but not Bank B, because Bank B only has $40 in excess reserves, so they could increase their loans by $40, not by $500. So C is also incorrect. D. Bank B can increase its loans by $40. This is the correct answer because it properly shows that Bank B has $40 in excess reserves, so they can increase their loans by $40. So D is the correct answer. Well, let's check E first. E. Bank C has excess reserves. This is incorrect because we saw earlier that the excess reserves for Bank C was $0. So we can eliminate answer choice E, and we know that the correct answer is D.